How can you make your brain sharp or memory power strong? I personally research these tips to make memory power strong. If you do these things consistency, then you become rather than you think. So now let's begin. Number 1 is eat less sugar. The brain uses energy in the form of glucose to fuel cellular activities. However, a high sugar diet can lead to excess glucose in the brain, and studies have linked excess glucose consumption to memory and cognitive deficiencies. So less sugar added food is good for our brain, it boosts our brain. Number 2 is meditation. Meditation is a practice in which an individual uses a technique such as mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity. The goal of meditation is to train attention and awareness and achieve mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. Meditation increased awareness, concentration, and decision making. The brain becomes more stronger if you do meditation consistency. Number 3 is sleep. Sleep is essential for a person's health and well-being. Sleep helps your body and brain function properly. Good night's sleep can help improve your learning, memory, decision making, and even your creativity. It improves our brain activity. Number 4 is drink excessive water. Water is very important for our brain because it gives energy to brain for its work. The brain has no way to store water, so it is important to maintain hydration throughout the day. Brain consumes 20% of energy from our total body of energy. So we drink excessive water for our good health and good brain. Number 5 is deep breathing. Deep breathing helps to more oxygenate to our brain. The brain needs more oxygen for the better memory. It helps to refresh our mind. Number 6 is reading more books. Reading stimulates a complex network of circuits and signals in the brain. It changes the ability of brain to next level. It gives better focus, imagination, thinking process to brain which help to build a stronger memory. Number 7 is try to do opposite. Brain works in the particular way. You should do opposite to the same work which you do in a regular basis. Like if you write with your right hand, then start to write with left hand. This work activates the brain cells, build a stronger network of the neurons. Number 8 is recall the whole day again when you go to sleep. You do the recalling your whole day activities before you go to sleep consistency. Then you make habit of recalling. You can remember all activities which give you a power of brain neuron connection. Number 9 is eat better. Eating good foods for brain help to make healthy body as well as brain. As you eat better as your brain being healthy. So eat proper brain foods like almond, green vegetables, omega-3 based foods, dark chocolate, coffee, peanuts, etc. You should eat at least 40 grams of fruits and vegetables per day for healthy body and brain. Number 10 is exercise. Exercise is very necessary to our health and brain. It makes our brain active, fresh, etc. Improves our memory. It grows the new blood vessel in the brain and the blood circulating activity to brain is being increased. Some exercises based on the healthy brain are cycling, dancing, running, swimming, playing chess.